breathing in 6 oxygen molecules. Then you intake sugar from eating something.
The mitochondria takes in the reactants and produces carbon dioxide, energy, and water.
I feel like I have so much, I'm so confident about it.
This energy is in the form of ATP. Aerobic respiration produces 38 to 36 ATP. Anaerobic respiration produces 2 ATP.
The mitochondria consists of DNA, ribosomes, cristae, and the matrix which contains all this, and even a double membrane. The mitochondria contains its very own DNA, that way it can produce its own proteins. They're in circular form, but sometimes they get tangled up and become a bit messy, like in the picture. It also has its own ribosomes where it can construct these proteins, which are represented by the small dots on the diagram.
The cristae are the folds within the membrane, and so forth, shown in the diagram here. They increase the surface area of the mitochondria and allow more area for the reactions to take place. Within the cristae are all the other things that we see in here, which is the DNA and the ribosomes. The matrix contains the cristae and the intermembrane space. The cristae, again, are these folds, and the intermembrane space is all the space in between. Also, the matrix contains an aqueous solution on the inside, which includes the ribosomes and the DNA.
The endosymbiotic theory is a theory that you had 2 prokaryote cells, and one of them had trouble producing energy on its own, but one was really good at producing energy. It got absorbed into the bigger prokaryote cell, and became the mitochondria, and they had a symbiotic relationship. This is evidenced by the double membrane, because all prokaryote cells have a double membrane, and so does mitochondria. Also by the ribosomes, because the ribosomes are seen in the mitochondria and in all prokaryotes. And the mitochondria has its own DNA, just like other prokaryote cells.